Oh. Kai, pick on someone your own size. Why are you picking on kids?
No tomahawks and stock cutters, right?
Only I can use tomahawks because it's my
Saw
brand.
you got me killed, you idiot.
Bye. Oh damn. Oh my goodness. Behind you.
Fuck. I was gonna kill you, Side. This piece of shit got me from the back.
Hey, now, Waqas.
Oh my
It's
God,
okay.
you
First time is not
down.
the charm. Oh my god, he came from behind like a little girl.
Fuck you, Side, you piece of shit.
Yeah, I just killed him, don't worry.
Wait, you can hit that?
Hey Kai, how's it going?
Oh my god. I didn't even have one
I
kill.
see you guys. Oh
Fuck's
damn.
sake. This
Wow.
piece of shit freaking wood came
What
in the
the-
way and
Isn't my mic too close? There we go. That's better. Oh, he got that. Oh wow.
Oh, these are
This way.
so special.
This way.
Except for
This way.
vision face.
I made you miss
I
one
didn't-
shot. You gotta admit, that was pretty clever.
fuck's sake, I'm gonna rape the shit out of him.
Dang, get wrecked, mate.
Man, what the hell?
Kobe!
This son of a gun put up.
Kobe!
Oh my god. You idiot. I had to kill one person, so
My specialist. Kai, get your ass down. What the? I see how it is.
fuck's sake. Man, what the hell? Seriously, I was right behind him. I should have banged him.
Oh! Let me cleanse you, Waqas.
Saw you piece of
Now you get cleansed. Oh, he's got that.
Oh, fuck's sake. I was trying to dodge it, idiot. You almost got me killed.
Get him, guy, get him from behind.
Fuck. You know, Hosa, you always do that shit. You think it's funny, huh? You think abusing people is funny, huh?
Come on, bind him. Get him, guy.
Fuck, what the?
I was just joking and Kai showed up in real life. Oh, hey you Kai, I see you. Oh!
Fuck you, Sad. You piece of shit. You always get me killed because of you. I die because of you.
He's okay, he's okay.
You're like
he's
a
okay,
freaking.
Get him, guy, get him!
This is bullshit. You guys are camping now. This is bullshit. I'm gonna go camp
You
somewhere.
make it too easy. That's... Oh no!
Bitch, come here. Yeah, you wanna play one-on-one, huh? Come get your ass here. You little porn bitch.
Oh! Oh! What?
Oh! 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 Fuck me.
Oh!
Hostile HCX.
Alright, blue house, here we go. Oh!
Fuck's sake, you piece of shit. I'm gonna rape.
Oh, get out the way, I can't see.
Oh!
Oh!
Come on!
No, this is shit. This is shit. He fucking blew me out. What the hell? This is still cheating. I was actually gonna kill him. This is cheating. I call protest. I'm calling protest. This is
You're
protest.
not gonna kill me.
Come you can
So
see
this
the
is-
post I actually sent you.
Easy kill.
This is protest.
God, you couldn't have killed me. I had my stinger.
Shut- I was gonna. You see, you know how Star plays. He cheats at the end. He's a cheater.
Yeah. When I know
That's
I'm
why he
gonna
doesn't.
It's okay, Waqas. I forgive you.
No, I forgive you. What? Huh? Cheating every single time.
I cheat. I quote cheat when I know I'm gonna win.
If you look like that, what I'm doing? It's my life.
Alright, no cheating, alright?
It's my life.
Guys, don't cheat, alright?
Yes, no cheating. So that's cool for you.
I don't cheat. What are you talking about? Kai, do I cheat?
Alright, guys, I'll show you. Hey, brother, I'm gonna show you what a prestige master can do.
I'm
I'm
gonna
a
tell you what the
prestige-
prestige master can do.
Let me show you what a
You gotta
prestige
prove to me
master can
something
do.
you haven't proved in 6 years. You're good at Call of
Wait,
Duty.
get out the way, I can't see.
Fuck's sake! What the fuck is going on?
Allah
Son of a. What the hell? He blew me off the
Oh, my
With a mine. What the hell, Sal? This is bullshit.
Okay, here, kill me. So
You
you'll
see,
stop
you
lying.
made my you
Okay.
took. Oh my god.
Where you at?
chicken.
I blew up.
Come to blue car. You died from him. Cry baby,
Hello
right?
there.
Waqas the kind of person.
What? I raped him. I literally took his pants off.
Waqas is the type of person who would ask tips from the waiters.
Yeah. You
Waqas
want
is
this
the
guy?
type of
Oh,
nigga
fuck.
who would ask. Kai. Waqas is the type of nigga who would ask tips from the waiter.
I will actually.
Service was shit. Give me my money back.
Fuck's sake. It's like we're having a threesome or something.
So there, you finally doing good. Good job. So like,
Son of a gun, you piece of shit. We're both gonna die, you idiot.
Oh, Kobe.
You see? This piece of shit was waiting for me.
Kobe.
Man, Saad, I'm seriously gonna cut your dick with that. I'm actually considering it now.
Hostile
Kinda hurt.
UAV above.
Yeah, there you go.
Game is lagging
Come here,
so
boy.
bad.
Fuck's sake,
Kobe.
no, Saad, you piece of shit.
Kobe. Kobe.
Kobe.
Kobe! Take my pants off, Kobe. I'm gonna put the
Oh,
I'm
nice.
gonna rip this.
Oh my god, you finally got me. Damn.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh,
What?
come on.
Is this even democracy?
What?
Surplus available.
No, this is monarchy right here. What's up, guy? Oh,
Yeah, bitch. What? I ripped the shit out of you.
not today, son.
मैं पता नहीं कौन बात कर रहे थे।
Watch out, guys! Oh, no, guys is dead. No, guys is dead. Stupid idiot. Come on, guys, don't run to him. Oh
My god, I almost had him.
I did way
Fuck
better
me.
than that time.
Fucked me,
Wow, y'all
seriously.
just gave Kai like 4 kills.
What do you want me to do? He had the HCXC.
Run away from it. Look, he's got the tie. Kobe!
You son of a gun, you bastard.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Where's Waqas?
Where the fuck you hiding, Saad?
Where the hell are you hiding, Waqas?
Where the fuck is he?
Yeah, that's why I kill myself, so nobody gets free kills off of me. Now I'm waiting for Waqas, but I'm not gonna kill my ACXD. Kai, where'd you kill him? No! Here, die. Here, die.
Oh.
Kai, look at this! Kai, look at this!
You know what he did? He tricked me. The third one was
Kai, look at this!
freaking.
Look at this!
The third one was in a trophy in the ball.
You're
In the ball. Third one was a ball. I hate you, piece of shit.
He thought I threw another one of those.
Trophies.
Orange.
Man, what the hell? You wanna see how I got my penis?
I'm sure nobody does. Kai, what the hell? I got these balls are for you. Kobe,
What the hell? Chad, I really grabbed your nuts by hand. I'm not gonna lie.
guess they're big.
XD spotted.
No. Fuck's sake, no. Fuck, no. Ripper,
he got
man,
the
what the
Ripper.
hell?
OMG. No, Kai. Oh shit! I killed him on accident!
You blew my ass.
Guys, you want a free kill?
Bitch, yeah, I want to feel kill.
Come to the white car.
You think it's pretty cool, right? The person who
Yeah,
blows up doesn't think that, okay?
Go ahead. Okay, here you go.
I need 2 free kills. I
What
need
do you
2
mean
free
two? I
kills.
killed you once.
No, you killed me twice. One.
Come here. Right here. Oh no, he got. Damn,
Bitch.
lucky you got a hit mark. I'll got the thing ready then now.
You wanna come here, huh? You can Yeah. Fuck me. I'm still beating Kai, so that's.
Dang, Kai, he is beating you. What?
You like that punch? Yeah, you like that up your ass? Congrats, you just got a baby.
Yeah, I'm about to make sure you have an explosive diarrhea. What's up? Oh, fuck you!
No.
Watch out!
Oh fuck! You never run!
Oh, hey, he got that Ripper. Oh, he's about to win! Kai, where are you? No, Kai! I accidentally walked in it.
Fuck you! Prestige Master!
What do you mean, Prestige Master? You got lucky. Look, I was scratching my nose. Look, I stopped.
Yeah, whatever, kids. Go play with kids right now.
Kai, you know, Waqas was playing cricket and he got out, and you know what he says? Allahu Akbar, while he was running. Allahu Akbar.
Oh my god. You both of you guys piece of shit. You
See,
really
for
think
only,
you
did you
can,
not go over this?
you think you can kill a Prestige Master like this? Oh.
Allahu Akbar. What? Allahu Akbar.
Man, what the fuck? Seriously? Sa, you wanna play that? I have a
Yes.
big ass
Oh yeah, bring it
gigantic.
on. Bring it on.
I finally got a kill.
Allahu Akbar.
My guy goes, booyah! I'm like, what the hell?
I think it's because you killed him, so.
Fuck.
Yeah, I know, I just picked it up. Oh, you picked it up! I wanted it! Yawn. Yawn.
This son of a gun has a trophy system. You can't even launch. I was gonna blow his ass out.
He shot both of his rocket launcher, and I blocked it.
You shot down too?
Fire break down.
What the hell? He has my RPG. Son of a gun.
He picked it up. I don't know what he was trying to do. This is
I was
amazing.
trying to destroy the trophy system. Fucking bitch has a trophy system again.
Oh shit, some nigga shooting at me. Yawn!
Oh my god, Kai threw a freaking thing. Thank God you
I
flashed
gotta
out.
kill Kai, actually.
I hate you, piece of shit. You got me killed, you know that? Fucking son of a gun. I'm gonna rape the shit out of Kai.
I'm humiliated. What's the
Okay.
setback?
Fucking, I got 3 kills, you set me back already.
What the?
He's dead. Fire break
Son of a gun, camping asshole.
Hello.
Fuck me, shotgun in the penis.
Yep, that's how it goes.
Yeah, die, motherfucker.
EK.
He didn't even get to finish his sentence. Oh, I would have humiliated you.
All
Yeah,
units
get your
down.
guns ready because my balls are ready too.
Somebody needs to set him back.
Fire break down.
There
This
we go.
piece of shit. I am just gonna go set for back. I'm gonna set his ass back right now.
Oh,
Fire break.
Fuck's sake.
damn, he got you good.
Once you get to sniper, you're gonna get raped.
Tango down.
Okay, I'm gonna fuck Kai out first. First thing he's gonna get. Once he hits 150, he's gonna get raped. I'm telling him that.
Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna get demoted. Oh my god, I fell outside. Oh my god. Fuck. Boom!
Oh my fucking god, this piece of shit. I'm gonna get fucking Kai. He screen watched me the whole thing. He didn't respawn.
Screen watch? What am I?
Yeah, he
Wahab?
screen watched me.
You think I'm Wahab?
What Kai? What do you mean, sa? He's not gonna give you a fucking free kill.
Prophet smoke.
I
Is
didn't
that-
give him a free
you
kill. I
just
was trying
get-
to
seriously?
humiliate him, He actually got me.
Son of a gun.
Son of a gun.
Confirming kill.
This guy set him back.
Fucking bitch. Oh my fucking god. You wanna? Kai really? I'm gonna fuck them
20
out, Kai.
points! He's got 20 points. Game over, Waqas. Kai, just go ahead and kill somebody. Get it over with.
I'm not pissed out. I did so many melees. I can fuck over that.
He's
What
dead.
the f-
Yeah, Saad,
Shot
don't
me to the
fuck with me. I know he saw. I saw
Shot me
that
to the
shit.
wall. Oh my
You
God.
shot me through the. I saw him standing right in front of you. You hoe.
stupid?
You think I'm dumb? Piece of shit.
Oh my god. I'm just trying to win this game, Kai. Relax.
No, he has to go. I'm not gonna let you win, Kai.
Hi, bitches.
I'm not gonna let you win. Sai, he thinks he can win. Nobody's gonna win this game. If I don't win.
I can win, but I'm just really tired.
Can you? Can you try?
I can.
Confirming kill.
Okay,
Easy,
do it.
man. I'm about to shut down. There you go,
Maximum
thank you.
fuck.
means maximum victories.
I came second, yes.
Fuck.
Bye, guys.
My guy.
Oh my god, 9 setbacks.
So look. 10 melees, 6 melees, 3 melees. You guys can get to the melees, you know? I'm the best
That's
at that
because we're
thing.
generous.
You guys are.
Yeah,
It was
you
2
have
against
to
1.
resort to melee because you're too stupid
It was
to knife.
2. It was 2 against 1. I still whoop you.
What do you mean 2 against 1? All I see is you at the bottom with 0 kills. So,
What were you gonna say, Bazaar?
but the means.
Alright, guys. I'm out. Fuck Kai.
Because of you
Fuck
guys, I
you.
have to wake up in 5.5 hours. I'm gonna sleepwalk tomorrow.
See you, Kai. Alright.